Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing issues with lost packages or messages on Snapchat, or if you're concerned about losing streaks and important content, here are some steps to prevent data loss and maintain your Snapchat experience. Step 1. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Snapchat requires a good connection to send and receive snaps and messages properly. Step 2. Keep your Snapchat app updated to the latest version. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if available. Step 3. If snaps or messages are failing to send, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. Step 4. For important content, save it to your memories before sending. Tap and hold on a snap, then select Save to Memories or Save to Camera Roll. Step 5. Enable Snapchat's Memories Backup feature to ensure your snaps are saved. Go to your profile by tapping your Bitmoji in the top left corner. Step 6. Tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Step 7. Scroll down to Memories and tap on it. Step 8. Select Save To and choose Memories and Camera Roll to save everything in both places. Step 9. Enable Smart Backup if available to automatically back up your snaps when connected to Wi-Fi. Step 10. If you're worried about losing snap streaks, make sure to send snaps daily. Set a reminder to help you remember. Step 11. If a snap fails to send, try force closing the app and reopening it, then attempt to send again. Step 12. Contact Snapchat support. If you continue to experience issues with lost messages or delivery problems, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.